Morning children, how are you? Hope you all are studying well at your home. Children, today I am going to teach maths. In maths, I will teach you after, before and between number. Here I have drawn a number line from 0 to 10. Look, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now children, here I have written some numbers for before. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 6, 2, 4, 10. Now start. What is this? This is 3. In number line, where is 3? 3 here. What comes before 3? 2. So, we write here 2. Second, what is this? This is 5. Children, what is this? This is 5. In number line, where is 5? 5 is here. What comes before 5? 4. So write here 4. What is this? This is 7. Where is 7? 7 is here. What comes before 7? 6. So write here 6. Children, what is this? This is 8. Here is 8. 8 is here. What comes before 8? 7. So write here 7. This is 9. Children, what comes before 9? 8. So write here 8. What is this? This is 6. In number line, where is 6? 6 is here. What comes before 6? 5. So write here 5. What is this? This is 2. In number 9, where is 2? 2 is here. What comes before 2? 1. So write here 1. What is this? This is 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. What comes before 4? 3. So write here 3. What is this? This is 10. Where is 10? 10 is here. What comes before 10? 9. So write here 9. Now I will teach you after numbers. Here I have written some numbers for after. 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7, 3, 1. Children, in number 9, where is this is 2. Where is 2? 2 is here. What comes after 2? 3. So write here 3. Children, what is this? This is 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. What comes after 4? 5. So write here 5. What is this? This is 6. Where is 6? 6 is here. What comes after 6? 7. So write here 7. What is this? This is 5. Where is 5? 5 is here. What comes after 5? 6. So write here 6. What is this? This is 8. What comes after 8? 9. So write here 9. What is this? This is 9. Where is this? This is here. What comes after 9? 10. So write here 10. What is this? This is 7. Where is 7? 7 is here. What comes after 7? 8. So write here 8. What is this? This is 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. What comes after 3? 4. So write here 4. What is this? This is 1. Where is 1? 1 is here. What comes after 1? 2. So write here 2. Now children, I will teach you between number. Here I have written some numbers for between. 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 1, 3, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 9, 8, 10. Children, what comes between 2 and 4? So look here, 2 and 4. 3 is between 2 and 4. So write here 3. 5 and 7. Children, look here, 5 and 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. So write here 6. 6, 8. Look here, 6 and 8. What comes between 6 and 8? 7. So write here 7. 1 and 3. Look here, 1, 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. So write here 2. 3, 5. 3 and 5. What comes between 3 and 5? 4. So write here 4. 4 and 6. Look here, 4 and 6. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. So write here 5. 7 and 9. Look here, 7 and 9. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. So write here 8. 8 and 10. Look here, 8 and 10. What comes between 8 and 10? 9. So write here 9. So children, today up to here, please revise all at your home. I will teach you few more things in next video. Thank you for watching.